Hello my friends, it's nice journey of HTML CSS interview questions with all of you. But I am observing that most of the people are not following my complete playlist, so they are having lots of doubts. So please follow the complete playlist of HTML CSS interview questions to get all your doubts resolved and be confident in each and every interview. Hello my friends, it's time to see some practical questions on an HTML. In this question, we have been asked to create a table with some values. So let's go to our Visual Studio. Here we will write table tag first, and inside the table tag we need table row, so tr tag. Inside this table row we need table data, so td tag. Firstly, in first row we have 3 data, so we need 3 td tag. Second one and then third one. Here we will write A1, then we have A2 and then we have A3. So our first row is ready now. For the second row, we will copy this thing and we'll paste it out. Just change A with B. Yes. So with this, our table is ready with A1, B, A2 and A3 values, but borders are not coming. So let's create a border for this table. So to create the border around table, we need table tag, then tr and then td. We actually want border around all these things. So now we will write border 2 pixel solid black. With this border is ready, but yes, there is some extra spacing is coming that we need to remove. So we will write border collapse and value will be collapse. With this, our table is without border, but the width is too small. So to increase the width, we will simply write table width 100%. As simple as that. So with this, we have actually covered the normal table concept. Here, interviewer may ask you how to merge two rows, that is A1 and B1, and place it inside a single box. So to do that, actually it is two rows. So we will use the property called as row span. Let's see how it works. Firstly, we need to merge A1 and B1. So we will comment out B1 and in A1 we will write row span is equal to 2 A1 plus B1. Yeah, now we have merged two rows. May some of the interviewer will ask you how to merge two columns. So to merge two columns, we use the concept of call span. So now we will try to merge A2 and A3. So firstly, we will comment out A3 and then we will write in the box of A2, A3 also. And here we will write call span is equal to 2. Yes, now the two columns are also merged. Once we will explain this particular concept to an interviewer, he may ask you what is cell spacing and cell padding. So when we want to maintain the space between the cell wall and its content, we are using cell padding. On the other hand, when we want to maintain the space between the two boxes, so at that time we are making use of cell spacing. So this is little confusing, but padding is always the distance between the content and its outer wall. And cell spacing is something different. So yes, it is the distance between its neighboring element. In this way, you can make it understand. With this, we have covered this particular question and let's meet in our next video tutorial. Thank you very much for